Hey there, it's Jane from the blog chalkingupsuccess.com, and today I'm making DIY clay heart ornaments. The clay is quite hard when you first take it out of the packet, so I'm just kneading it to make it soft and pliable. I'm not going to go into the nitty-gritty of making these clay heart ornaments because I already did that in my video where I made clay Christmas ornaments, and also I have a very detailed blog post on my blog chalkingupsuccess.com that goes with the clay Christmas ornaments, and it's really detailed, and I would really suggest that you go and have a look at that if you have any problems with air dry clay, because I talk a lot about things that could go wrong and how to fix them in that post. These are just some dried grasses that I picked up from the fields in summer, but you could also use dried pressed flowers for this, and I think that would look really nice with these clay heart ornaments. I didn't have any of my usual clay left over, so I picked this up while I was out and about shopping, and it's really not the same as the one I usually use. It seems to be a bit more sticky, and I'm really having a few problems making it smooth, and I have to use some water to smooth down the top of the clay because there's lots of bumps, as you can see. So next time I'm going to make sure that I pick up the right clay for these projects, and I'll leave a link to the clay that I usually use in the description to this video. I've decided my clay heart ornaments are going to have a hanger made from beads, so I'd like to paint the beads white, and how I'm going to do that is I'm just adding a little bit of white paint into this container, add a drop of water, and then I'll pop the beads in and give them a good shake, and hopefully they'll be white when they're finished. I don't usually seal my clay ornaments, but because I've pressed dried grasses into these, I think it's best if I seal them to stop the grasses from falling out. And to seal the clay hearts, I'm using Mod Podge, and I'm using a brush to make sure that I completely cover the surface of the hearts. Then once this is dry, I'll go over it again with a second coat. Now I'm going to make the bows, and I've cut some lengths of ribbon and I want to trim the ends of the ribbon. So to do that, I'm folding the ribbon in half. And in half again. And then I'm cutting with my scissors from the outside edge to the folded edge on a slant. This is my quick way of making a bow. It's kind of a cheats way. I'm just folding it so that it looks like a banner. And I've got some paper covered wire. And I'm folding the bow in half again. And slip my paper wire into the middle of the bow and pinch it together, give it a good twist, and that's the bow finished. Next, I'm making the hangers with my wooden beads, and here's another trick for you to make it easier to get the pieces of string through the small holes in the beads. I usually just wrap a small bit of clear tape around the edges, and that keeps them really tight together, and it's much easier to push them through the beads. And the last thing I'm going to do is attach the ribbon bows to my clay heart ornaments. And to do that, I think I forgot to mention that when I made the bows, I left the ends long so that I would have some extra length to attach the bow to the ornaments. So now all I need to do is to put the ribbon on the top of the ornament, twist a paper wire at the back to attach it. And this is how my clay heart ornaments turned out. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos from me. That's it from me at Chalking Up Success this week. Happy crafting, and I'll see you next time.